How to switch accounts on Roblox Mobile. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch accounts on Roblox using your phone. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So first, open up the Roblox app. Tap on More in the bottom right corner. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Logout. Once you're logged out, you'll see the sign-in screen. Now, if you already have another account, just tap Login. Enter your username and password, and you're good to go. But if you want to add a second account without logging out every time, here's a better way. Instead of logging out, again tap More. Scroll to the bottom, and you might see the option Switch Accounts. Tap that. From here, you can add an account or switch to one you already added. Just log in once and it'll remember it, making switching super fast. That's it. Now you can hop between accounts without a hassle. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.